What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and this weekend we're out here on the Mogollon Rim with the wife's Bronco because my truck can't get dirty before SEMA. So we're gonna have some fun on this trail. Never done this trail. It's a 6 out of 10, I believe. Should be fun. It's been muddy and I don't like mud, so let's get into it.
Watch your rims.
We rolled up on this beautiful river, and honestly, it looked like the perfect camp spot. It was only 2:30 in the afternoon, and the skeeters were going to come out. Way too early to call it a day. So as much as we wanted to stop, set up camp, we decided to push down the trail.
All right, guys, we got to a kind of little midsection of the trail, just stopping for lunch, hanging out, drinking a beer and some sandwiches and stuff, and then we're gonna keep on going. So far, the Bronco's been pretty nice off-roading with these tires. Let's say those Linglong Z-Tech MT1000s really suck, and the Firestone MT02s have been nice. So the Bronco has been redeemed with its off-road capabilities with no lockers, but we're gonna keep on going on this trail. So far, it's been fun. It hasn't been a big bummer. I thought it was gonna be, but it's been fun so far. All right, guys, we're off this obstacle here, and it's been raining a lot in Arizona, and I'm kind of digging this trail finally, a forest trail. That's pretty cool out here. But we got this. I might take this section. We got about a 3-foot ledge. I could make this. Yeah. We're just gonna come straight down this way. The Bronco has optimal clearance. Like, it's really tall, so we should be fine coming down this. Coming up it might be a little bit different, no lockers, but it'll be fun. So let's hit it. I need a Zin for this one. All right. We'll be just fine. Don't worry, boys. We'll be just fine. All right, guys, we got another obstacle. We're gonna stand it up. Bronco's been surprisingly doing pretty good, but there's some spots where I'm just like wondering what the hell, why won't I go up this? So we're gonna send it up this rock wall. It's gonna be sick. Let's have fun. Jesus. Lagging it today. Ooh. All right, let's send it. All right, guys, you see that shit? The Bronco can crawl up some stuff pretty good, but sometimes when it's like loose rock, the traction control system just can't figure it out. But once I hit like a nice rock I can climb, it gets up it, but it doesn't feel very good. Reminds me of my Z71, but the Z71 didn't jump as bad as that. I don't know what's going on. But we're like halfway through this trail, and we got a while to go, so it's gonna be a fun one. All right, everybody, we made it to camp, and the Bronco has handled the trails. It's been pretty nice. Shout out to Brothers Tires. It's my fiance's cousin's mobile tire shop. They swapped my old Firestone Destinations on, like I said, and wheels so much better with these wheels and tires. I have my old Falcon Wild Peak on the back here. Now we're gonna set up camp. Me and Jackson are both gonna camp in the back of the Bronco. So once we get all set up, I'll show you guys what we're working with. I got a new fridge, and yeah, got a couple new things. All right, guys, we got to camp. We got pretty much everything set up, but I want to talk to you guys about this refrigerator first. This is a Set Power DT45 refrigerator. It's a cooler, or not a cooler, it's a refrigerator and a freezer option, so you could run both at the same time. I have it powered by my IceCo power bank, my PB1000, and she runs really good and have no problems with it. We've used it all weekend, bouncing around in the back of the Bronco, and it's pretty cool right here. This is going to be like your display unit, so you can put your left bin and your right bin, minimum, maximum for your compressor speed, and your battery protection. I have it just on high because this thing's always just fully charged. And it also has an app, which is pretty cool. You can use it on your Android or your iOS, and it's pretty nice to see what temperature it is, and you can change it. Like, let's say you're driving, you want to switch one over to the freezer maybe. You can go on your phone and go switch over to the freezer and do all your options there. It is really light compared to a lot of other fridges, I would have to say. It's kind of like an ABS plastic, but it is well built. It has lights on the inside also, so that's pretty cool. And I like this one because the lids don't rattle. Like, it seems pretty dialed. And it also has a 3-year warranty, so you just hit them up if it breaks and they replace it for you. So it's a pretty cool fridge. It's a reasonably priced. Set Power, normally they have like some really good prices on refrigerators. Probably the better option for if you were looking for a budget refrigerator. And I dig it. It's been pretty nice all weekend. And yeah, we're gonna make dinner right now, and it's gonna be yummy. I'll show you guys what we're making. All right, guys, we just got done packing up camp. Now we're heading back to the main road, but hopefully we can find some cool obstacles on the way out of here. Me and Jackson slept pretty dang good in the back of the Bronco. It was pretty cold, so we had to like hop up in the morning and turn the heater on because it was a little chilly, but other than that, we fit. It was tight, but we fit. So let's keep going on this trail, see what we got. All right, everybody, that's about it for this week's video. Let me know down in the comments if you guys like these Bronco off-road adventures. I think it was pretty fun, but make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hype me up on the little hype bar, help small creators just like me. And that's about it for this week's video. Love you guys so much. Bye.